This quick video is showing you how to post your very first market update. So to access your market update, head into Social Studio. And if you already have your socials connected, great. If you don't, head straight into social profiles, which you can access via the left-hand side menu. If you've got them connected in your old Renowned account, you can click Connect My Socials and we'll handle the rest. Otherwise, simply follow the prompts and you can connect Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Then what you want to do is head over to the left-hand side menu again, click on Market Updates, and now you're in the right place. So there's lots of templates for you to choose from. I'm going to go ahead and choose this 2025 What a Year template, as I want to do a market update looking back over the year that was. So you can choose between two types of data sources. Market data is literally all of the data, everything that's happened that year, not just your sales and your achievements. If you chose My Data, we cut that data down to just show what you've sold, your average sale price, your median days on market. It's also a really fun market update post as well. I'm going to change the time period. And you can see on the right-hand side, as I interact, everything's dynamically changing. And I'm going to choose my location I'd like to post about. I can even narrow it down further by selecting property type. For example, maybe I specialize in apartments. And then that's it. You can go ahead and customize this design further. We give you complete control to change the colors, the fonts, move things around, whatever you'd like to do. I'll go ahead and click Create Post for now. It's automatically applied my branding bar to the post and can go ahead and select which channels I'd like to post to, update the caption that goes along. We've also included a landing page, which I'll quickly show you. And so anyone that clicks back through the post will be able to directly contact you for an appraisal. Once I'm happy with how everything's looking here, I simply click Publish, and we're done. The market updates is a really exciting feature. I hope you all enjoy it. It's this local data that really helps to build your own local expertise, and we know that's what gets you chosen. So no excuse now, get out there and post your local market update.